welcome to City Grill, and in this episode, I want to have mushrooms with my steak tonight, right? Instead of doing maybe a pan-seared steak with the mushrooms and butter, which is really good, in an iron skillet, I thought, what if I skewer the mushrooms? So I have some mushrooms here, and I thought, I'm gonna skewer them up. I'm gonna use some, you could use a lot of different choices here, but I'm gonna use some teriyaki sauce and just kind of lightly put the teriyaki sauce on there. I have a brush here, and just brush up on the mushrooms like so, and just a light coating on those mushrooms. I'm gonna make a mess here. It's like painting in school, right? Just go ahead and do that. Just to add a little flavor. Maybe soy sauce would taste really good with this as well. What else I was thinking? Or what if you put wine on it? Wine would be another good option to put on these mushrooms. Then you can season them up, right? I have some Simply Seasoned. It's a really nice seasoning without any MSG, so I like that. So I'm gonna take that and just sprinkle a little bit on the mushrooms, just like so. I just kind of rotate them a little bit, put a little bit more on, a little flavor. You can use any kind of seasoning, right? I think a blackened seasoning might taste really good. Complete seasoning is another one that I like to use, like on corn and other vegetables. But just coat these really nice, just like that. I got just a little bit more left here. Give it that extra little flavor. Bam, just like so. Oh, gosh, that's gonna be good. All right, I have that ready. We're gonna take it out on the grill. All right, I'm out at the grill. I have my mushrooms ready to go. These are only gonna take a few minutes. I'm gonna rotate them quite often, but I'm just gonna place them on the grill right there. And I don't think I have any more sauce really to put on there. Just let it go like that. I'm gonna watch them just a few minutes, rotate them, and that's it. Then I'll bring them inside and get ready to eat with the steak. Okay, I've been rotating the mushrooms on the grill. I've got some grill marks on there. They're looking really good. They're starting to want to fall off the skewer, right? They're really loose on here. That's perfect. That's what I want. So I'm gonna bring them off, put them over here on my plate, get the rest of the meal out, and give them a try. Okay, I brought the mushrooms in. They look really good. They smell delicious. I'm gonna put some on my plate. I'm just gonna skewer some. Actually, I bet I could eat them all. So I'm gonna give it a try here. Let me move that out of the way. It's gonna be great with a piece of meat. And the potato we made is a garlic parmesan potato. Some vegetables. Give it a try. Oh yeah. Wow, it's just nicely flavored. The seasoning helps. Use any kind of seasoning you want, really. I like this Simply Seasoned. It's really good. There's plenty of other ones out there to try. Give it a try. This is delicious. All right, see you next time, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.